Now we are going to continue reading the article about child labor, and we are now on the subtopic of a cigarette maker responds. Altria, one of the biggest cigarette makers in the United States, does not employ its own farmers, but maintains strict standards on the contractors it buys tobaccos from. Company representative Jeff Caldwell said. His company's view is not that the HRW report is critical of the tobacco industry, but that it asks for cooperation among various interests to protect the safety of workers, especially minors, he said. Our tobacco companies do not condone the unlawful employment or exploitation of farm workers, especially those under the age of 18, Caldwell said. Altria requires that its growers follow certain guidelines that specifically include best practices for labor management when it comes to harvesting tobacco. Issues such as avoiding acute nicotine poisoning and heat stress are addressed in the guidelines, he said. U.S. tobacco companies intend to work together to further discuss the topics in the report, he said. So now you are going to go to the forum and answer the question, how did the cigarette maker Altria respond to the HRW report? Remember to reread your answers and make sure you are being as descriptive as possible.